Yo, y'all ready? Hey, yo, Zay, what up? I had to do it, bro. Hey, we up at Toyotas and them Lexus, ooh wee. We up in them Chevys and them Dodgers, ooh wee. We up at Toyotas and them Lexus, ooh wee. We up in them Chevys and them Dodgers, ooh wee. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day.
So yeah, man, just got my car wash, man. Headed out to Gulf Gate Dodge, you know what I'm saying? About to go on ahead and, you know, y'all know what I'm about to go do, man. Get y'all a good old video, man. But yeah, man, make sure y'all go tap into the Money Gang, aka Back to the Money, man. I got the merch on right now, the hoodie. Y'all see the MG right here, man. MG on me, you know what I'm saying? Nice hoodie. Wait till I see the back. I'm gonna try to show it to y'all when I get to the spot. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see. A lot of traffic out today, man. It's Sunday, man. It's a great day, man. It is cold too. It's like 57 degrees. 57 degrees. It's all good. Say, man, I want y'all to put in the comments who is y'all favorite team, man. I want to know who is y'all favorite team. I know I got a lot of Cowboys fans who watch my channel. I know that for a fact. But it's all good, baby. We're gonna see who's gonna come out on top on Christmas Eve, man. I bet we're gonna go this whole rest of the year undefeated, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna clinch the first round bye. We're gonna have home field advantage throughout the whole playoffs, man. I already know it for a fact. You know, it's gonna be a great year, man. But anyway, man, let's get at it. But yeah, man, I got my toys from the toy drive. Oh my goodness, toys from the toy drive. I got the toys from Walmart, man. Got like 4 Hot Wheels, you know what I'm saying? 3 Hot Wheels, you know what I'm saying? So head to meet up with Mopar Marcus, Back to the Money. About to go ahead and go over there, you know, for this car meet / toy drive. It's gonna be a pretty cool day, you know. Make sure y'all go support Back to the Money, man. Y'all go subscribe, y'all go tap in and, you know, follow Mopar Marcus as well on Instagram. Put his link down here, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, y'all see the merch, you know, we got the Money Gang, the green MG on my chest, man. The whole back of this thing is full of like a big old Money Gang sign, man. Y'all go tap in and subscribe to my boy Back to the Money, man. He on his way to 2,000 subscribers, man. Y'all go tap in, support the channel, and let's get it, man. Woo-wee! Got the Fly Eagles fly hat on, man. I need to get me a Jalen Hurts jersey, you know what I'm saying? That's besides the point. I'll see you back to the money, man. Y'all go subscribe. We got the Eagles fly on.
They know what it is. We're going 13-1 today. We gonna win. We're gonna beat the Bears, and then next week we got the thing.
The Bears are lunch meat. Yeah, that's lunch meat.
Yeah, lunch meat. Yeah, I see Mopar Market right
Yeah.
here, man. Y'all go tap in Instagram. Y'all go follow him, man. Ruby Red Scarlet right there. Y'all see him, man. Yeah,
It's this good old toy drive out here, man. Supporting the brother.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
We
show
out
him the
here
back
having
right here.
fun.
Show him the back out.
Oh, okay. Hey, my boy repping, man. Y'all know what it is. Y'all see my boy Zay. I like that, brother.
Eagles fly, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Y'all go tap in Back to the Money. Y'all go subscribe. Y'all subscribe to me, man. Y'all here, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My car look different when it's clean. I'm gonna look good.
Yeah, bro. Your car look. So how it feels since they got the hood band down.
Man, it's like a brand new car.
Yeah,
It's like a
yeah.
I be hitting them trains at 40 miles an hour now. I ain't even scared no more.
I just took the video. That brother, I'm in this truck.
Yeah, I got 3 more vlogs to drop before I even get to this vlog. I'm like, yeah, because I had like 300 Jeep
That truck was
vlogs.
nice though, right?
Yeah, more clean. It's just off-road. I can't do no off-road.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was sitting like, you know how this sitting is like that, but way higher. Like with my seating position, like,
Bro, they had the keys to that earlier. That's a monster right there.
I bet. That's diesel too, huh?
125,000 for that truck.
What it got on it?
Nigga, it has 360 cameras, bro. Like, they got cameras everywhere, bro.
I mean, it's clean, but
The tires need like 40s, bro.
that thing too high for me. I gotta be like
It
this.
has the step. It has the step thing.
Gotta be like,
But you know what I'm saying?
yeah, 125.
That's 125, bro. I seen that. I was like, hey, it's nice. I
That
had
thing-
the key. But I gave
big,
it back.
big dually, huh?
Yeah, bro. You run some shit over.
That's a monster truck, bro. That's crazy. This for like off-road?
Yeah.
That thing clean. Yeah, that thing crazy, bro. This Jeep clean though. You gotta see them wheels. Y'all see the Jeep, the Rubicon. Y'all see the Jeep. Y'all see the Jeep.
Just might charge a double. I think I'm big meat. Larry Uber, whipping work. Hallelujah. One nation. Under God. Real getting money from the star. I think I'm big meat. Larry Uber, getting work. Hallelujah. One nation. Under God. Real getting money from the star.
About it.
My circle moving and Yola got a bad Jack clock alarm, bad Jack TV. My girl chick say she gon' kill me if she see me with them girls. This blue all she got it flowing like I do. Know it back in my closet, I go by. Today, I got it tomorrow. Flexing, fading, and the blue jar. Just as I need money, with the ball and
I ain't seen him in the car, y'all. He scared me. Look, he scared me. I know he's in the car.
You can't see, that's exactly what.
I felt the exhaust move my pants, like, I'm like, oh snap. Yes, sir. Y'all see my boy back to the mud. The mud sound good.
Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's get back to it. I'm let you get back to it. Y'all see him though, y'all see him. We got some forward sting going on. Y'all see the black wheels? I wouldn't mind getting one of the old ones though. Y'all see it though? Well, I got what the thing called, but I like that right there. Y'all see it. And y'all got Whurre Uzumaki Comic Con right there, man. Y'all see it. Comic Con, y'all go follow on Instagram, man. Y'all see him. That thing crazy. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And them Paradas look good still, though. That thing clean, man. Y'all see him. Y'all got Mopar markers right there. Y'all tap in. Tap in. Hey. Got the wide body, got the Scarlet. Oh, we got that thing color shifter. Y'all see that thing? What's your business name, man?
On me?
Yeah.
Money over brisket.
Money over brisket, man. Y'all see the cash up, man? I'm about to get some brisket fries. See on the grill, man, fresh. Hey, them all look good. I see my boy back to the money with some. Yes, sir. So, yeah, y'all go check them out, man. Y'all see the fries, man. Y'all see the fries. Okay, the fries, man.
For excited.
Yeah. All right, so back to the money wins.
Bet some money won the draw.
He just said he don't win nothing too. Again, we want to thank everybody for coming out. The function that we do this for is Autism Moms. So if you follow their story, it's actually a really good cause that they do this for. We do it every year. Thanks to Mr. Courtney here, we usually do it. We try to do everything involving black-owned businesses. So if y'all didn't know, Gulfgate Dodge is it is owned by a black person. And we have Mr. Money Over Brisket, which is probably one of the best names I've heard for a business. That's cool as hell. So he's the one that's been providing us with the food today. A lot of people showed up. We have Zay, Calm always sponsoring and helping us out, looking out for me. I appreciate it. I have Back to the Money here. I have Mrs. In-House Sound and the team mascot, Lola.
I'll say right there, team come
DJ Esquire here.
Yes, sir.
She's been helping us out today.
Trying to stay warm, my fingers cold.
Hopefully, we can have another function like this coming soon when the weather's better. I love the weather. I don't know why y'all think it's cold like that.
It's freezing.
But anybody, anytime we're doing something like this for a positive thing, the more people that can help, we can do it all as a city, as one group. There's already enough dark spaces in the world. Try to be a light to shine on somebody else, especially with these day and times. So again, I thank everybody. My name is Marcus. If y'all don't know who I am the president of Kings and Queens Mopar Houston, and my car club always willing to come out and show love for anything positive in the car community, or if you're doing something personal, just let us know. Go 49ers. Yes, I said it. Yes, I said it. Yes, I said it.
Really?
Yes, I said it. But thank y'all again, man. I don't know who I'm missing, but anybody else that showed up that I don't see, I can't see. Oh, Evil Dad. If y'all haven't seen his car, trust me, you gotta see his car. Both of them, especially the War Machine. Trust me, that's the name of the car.
War Machine?
Yeah, you gotta see it. But thank y'all again. If anybody needs to talk with Mr. Money Over Brisket there, because he actually is a mobile food service, so he can actually come out to any events. If you want to get at him, I'm sure he probably has cards or something available, or a phone number. What he said. All right, I got Flacco right there. Flacco has like 42,455 cars, and he probably was nice enough to bring one of them today. Big Baby, who decided to burn some of the grass over there. So I appreciate everybody for showing up.
And he still got the slowest 300 in the city.
It's okay, I understand.
Hey, 2 V6 is equal to V12, that's all.
And again, like I said, thank y'all so much for showing up. It's a great cause. And hopefully we can do this more often, more frequently, better weather. And appreciate y'all again.
Yes, sir.
My boy Zay TRD. Mopar Marcus Club is a great event, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see him right there in the back, man. Y'all go tap on Instagram. See my boy Back to the Money, man. Y'all go tap in, subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, man.
We about to end this video. Hey, man.
Yes.
We 13-1. Fly, Eagle, fly. You see, got the whole
Fly, Eagles, fly.
Oh, Fly Eagles. Okay, well, I got my Laker hat on today, though. But that's okay. 49ers. What happened to them?
Yeah.
The best team in the league right now, as we sit right now, The 49ers are the best team.
No,
right now.
No, I can
We're
ask
gonna see
Siri.
what these Eagles do.
I can ask Siri. Siri say that we the best.
By the record. Nobody wants to play the 49ers right now.
Okay, we going.
And we on third string quarterback.
Siri. Hey, who's the best team in the NFL right now? What that
She
say?
did pop up Philadelphia.
What that say? What that say? All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. Drop.
Okay. Yeah, well, yeah. Well, we know Siri been on drugs for 2 years.
I'm just saying.
Siri been on drugs. Siri been on drugs for 2 years. She's been on drugs for 2 years. I've known about it. I heard her at the AAE meeting. Ain't that right, Siri? See, she said yeah. See what I'm saying? Yeah, you ain't fooling me.
They know this.
Ain't that a bitch?
Hey, it's a good meet though, you know what I'm saying? Good with the homies, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, we're about to end this video, man. But anyway, man, Mr. Ooh-wee is out the building. Say, man, look at Back to the Money. Yes, sir. Back to the money. I'm trying to laugh with the mug crackling and popping sounds so crazy.